ferocious violence.
Oh,
It seems
Maddison.
impossible to believe, but it won't be around forever.
Oh,
Eventually,
Maddison.
even the sun must die.
The sun has a fixed amount of fuel in its core. It is undergoing fusion at a rate that you can calculate. You say, here's the rate it's using its fuel. Here's how much fuel you have. So it's a simple calculation to show when the sun will die. And that's in about 5 billion years.
Well, unfortunately, the sun will not go out with a bang. It is too small to erupt in a supernova. However, stars do a peculiar thing. They're one of the few things around that get hotter as they cool off.
As it exhausts its hydrogen fuel, our nearest star
That
will
is some
cool
good
and gradually
applesauce.
collapse under the force of gravity. Energy from this collapse will start heating up the core again to hundreds of millions of degrees, hot enough to start burning helium. Under the extra heat of the helium burning, the star will expand into a monstrous orb called a red giant.
It gets so big, it will engulf the entire orbit of Mercury, Venus, and Earth. You don't want to be around for that. You want to
You're a
be trying
big
to
girl.
away to safety
I need big
long
food.
before this happens.
Yeah.
The Earth is likely to change its orbit slightly as the star expands, so that it won't be engulfed. Still, talk about global warming, you wouldn't want to be there.
The outer layers of our sun will eventually become so unstable that they will fly off into space, leaving behind a small core about the size of the Earth.
So remember, we're shrunk off to the sun, which is 1 million miles across, to the size of the Earth, which
Really?
is more like 6,000 miles across.
Our once great star reduced to a slowly cooling cinder.
And life as we know it on Earth will cease to exist. And that is the death of the sun.
All of this is bad news for the human race. But look on the
Right.
bright side.
We've got 5 billion years to prepare for this disaster.
For now, humanity basks in the glow of a sun in the prime of its life. Science has uncovered many of the secrets of our nearest star, but we remain awed by its beauty and ever more wary of its wrath. In the beginning, there was darkness, and then bang, giving birth to an endless expanding existence of time, space, and matter.
Right.
Now see further than we ever imagined, beyond the limits of our existence, in a place we call the universe.
Okay, time
They've
to
intrigued man for
eat.
centuries, captivating astronomers and astrologers alike.